friends, welcome to Technical-Santosh-ji. Today's video is all about Microsoft 365 Admin Center. In this video, we will learn about what is Microsoft 365 Admin and what it does and why it's important for IT professional. So, let's get started. Section 1. What is Microsoft 365 Admin Center? Microsoft 365 Admin Center is a web-based dashboard. It allows IT admin to manage everything related to Microsoft 365 such as user accounts. When you click on the user accounts, you can create users and set the password. Okay, security policies so that no one can access your account without your permissions. Licenses and subscription. So if you create a user, you need a license. Okay, and subscriptions. So in this license tab, you can click the license tab, and after that you can see the all available licenses which you have assigned to the users. And the next is device management. So every device is managed by this Admin 365 Admin Center. You can think of it like the control panel for your organization, right? As you can see in the Windows, you can see the control panel, right? So it is same as a control panel for your organizations. And Microsoft 365 services like Outlook, Teams, SharePoint and OneDrive, right? In Outlook you can set up the mail. In Teams you can chat with the other colleagues, right? SharePoint, so you can share the things like whatever, like mail, files, folders and some documents you can share with it help of SharePoint. And OneDrive, you can access all your files wherever you want and whenever you want, right? You can store all your data with the help of OneDrive and you can access it from anywhere. Section 2. What can you do with it? So let's look at some common tasks done by a Microsoft 365 admin. Create and manage users. As I have told you, when a new employee joins, you should create a users and manage the settings of that particular users, like password, MFA, and what they can do, what is their role and what is their responsibility. You can manage from the users portal. Reset password. If someone forget the password, then what you will do, you just come here and reset the password and mail them, or you can also simply share with the Teams chat. Enable security features like MFA. Through the MFA, there is a Microsoft 365 apps. You can download it from in Apple users from the App Store, and if you are Android users, so you can download it from Play Store. Set up shared mailbox, right? So in this mailbox, there is a member you can assign in the particular mailbox, right? Like HR. In the HR, you can see, you know about the HR. There are 4 to 5 people, so you can just create the HR @ your company name, right? And for support @ your company name. Track usages and logs. For compliance and reports, you can track the uses, like how many laptops, how many users uses the laptops, and how many users in your organization. You can also track the logs, right? All of these are done from inside the Admin Center. And if I'm talking about career benefits, so why should you learn this? Because Microsoft 365 is used by companies over the world. If you know how to manage it, you can work as a IT support engineer, Microsoft 365 admin, cloud support specialist, and endpoint administrator. And if I'm talking about the salary package, so salary package starts from 4 to 6 LPA for beginners and it goes up to 15 LPA or more with the experience and skills in Azure, Intune or security. Okay, I hope this video helped you understand what Microsoft 365 Admin Center is. If you like the video, click the like button, subscribe for more simple IT tutorials, comment below what you want to learn next. This is Santosh from Technical-Santosh-ji signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.